Hello YouTube, welcome back to another Shinley video. Okay, I don't know why I did that, but anyways. So today I'm in Nimbus and there's a drop in like the snowman kind of thingy drop. I'm trying to get in Nimbus and why can I not climb the street? Mm. Alright, so as I was saying, there's a drop. Nah, that tree races. There's a drop in Nimbus that I'm trying to get. Just turn the shit into races. Where? Anyways, as I was saying, there's a drop in numbers I have to get, so and it's called the snowman thingy jiggy. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I could find the snowman first, and then from there I'll be able to tell you what he drops. Not sure if I'm going the right way, anyways. Am I going the right way? No, I'm not. I'm going the opposite way. Wait, where's the ramen shop? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to the ramen shop. Guys, this might take a while. Look, we're already a minute in. Nah. Why did it launch me upwards and say, nah, mm-mm. No, sir. No, sir. Come on, go up the thing. Stop being retarded. Go up the thing. Stop being retarded. Alright. Alright, so from here, we go this way. Alright, you come over here. You see, guys? So this is the route to go to like where the Kenjutsu Master and the Snowman thing. So like you have to go in front of the ramen shop and then turn at a probably around I should say a rough estimate of like probably 50 degrees from the ramen shop. And why did it disconnect? Good. Right, the 50 degrees from the ramen shop and yeah. So you come down here. Of course, I'm like, anyways, I'm with like two people in the server. Of course, they're not with me. I just came in the server and I meet them there. So no, they're it's like I'm not with them or anything, but like yeah. So then you pass through here, then you go, okay. Then you just keep going until like you see open water like this, and then you just keep going straight ahead until like you see that big opening in the rock there. Then you just want to go up there. If I ever make it up there, bruh. But anyways, you want to come up here and go in. So think like this is pretty much like a little tutorial on like where it is, because technically I didn't go to there and then like start the video there. It's, because so in case there's people who don't know where it is, at least they get to see like where it is, and like yeah. Hopefully there's no one else here, because if there is someone else here, I'm gonna be mad, bro. Cause I ain't know where I want nobody stealing my scrolls. Anyways, then now you're gonna look for this like weird looking structure here, and you see the scrolls right here. So this guy drops two things. He drops the a shadow snowman kind of jutsu thingy. Actually, instead of just trying to destroy my brain to say it, I'm just gonna show you it instead. I'm just waiting for this to load. And when it loads, I'm gonna like show you. Not sure what's a hold up. Okay, right. It's not here, but like it's somewhere down here. I don't want to scroll too fast and then it doesn't load and then I get kicked from the game. Alright, so he drops this. Well, technically not really. That's an actual thing drop. Never mind. Oh, there he is. This thing, he drops this, which is a 5.5% chance of getting, which kind of high, but there's another drop he does. It's like where he drops snowballs, I think. Is it this? Yes, this one. The Avalanche, 6.25% chance. So if I could get that, I'll be good to go. And also, I just remember that time when I was like trying to get Gen 3 Maru. Well, off camera, or I shouldn't say off camera because I'm not really on, but like when I'm not like on like streaming or making a video, somehow got Mario, and I'm like, bruh, that would have been a good video. And like, yeah. Alright, where is he? Okay, he's right here. Hi. Oh no, this is not what I wanted, bruh. Why lag? Why? Why? I just want to play the game in peace and entertain my viewers, bruh. Why you gotta be a pain in the anus? Then I do this. We did quite decent amount of damage. Like, okay, I was about to say I missed, but I didn't. So, or he missed actually, but cut he didn't. So that's a good thing. Ow. Can he just not? I think he's bugged. Like when he does that last slap before he goes and stands. I think he's bugged. Alright. Oh, come on, come on. I would say this is probably one of like the only boss in the game that I've seen that have like a level 4,000. All the other bosses are like 2,000, 2,000, or some is like 1,000, like the mini bosses. But this one, he's a real pain. But then if he's like a real pain, then why can't the scroll drops be a little bit higher, real games? Like, come on, man. You have to make it so hard to get. Ah, come on, stop. Ooh, perfect timing. Can I please? Okay, thank you. Why does he walk like if he has like stroke or constipation? But like, stop walking like that, bro. Also, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you enjoy, and also there's a YouTuber that I wanna like point out, like some of you guys probably know him. He goes by the name of EJO. So yeah, I'll leave you like a link in it, like in the description to his channel, and you could also go there and show him some love as well. And dang it, it's gonna be a pain. Ow. Alright, good. Yeah, just ow. Does this work? Oh yeah, it does. Good. The reason why I ask, because normally like that fire thing doesn't really work on much bosses, like tail, like Gen 3 tail beast for example. Like it barely works on them. That's why I asked if it works. Okay, totally didn't miss that. Wait, what? Wait, what? Climb the wall. Can't touch me now, can you? I just thought the whole long this thing takes to take off and explode as well. I hate that. Like just do it already, bro. Like it's not that hard. Unless you're charging cheap, then okay, but like come on, man. Okay, come on, kill him. He's not. He's almost there. For a solid second, I thought he died. Oh, screw. Let's go, gingerbread summon. The fact that I even got that and not the one that was a higher rare, that was a better rarity, was actually pretty good. So we're off to a good start. We actually got one scroll out of two. I think he drops. Yeah, yeah, good. As long as I'm the only one on the server, because I realized that the lag was eased up a bit, so I'm the only one here. Great, let's go see what it's about. So I need to get this next. What? Oh, that's green. Okay, never mind. I want that. Let's quickly one thing. Let's go. If I could just get this with a 6.25, that'll be a good thing. Because this is literally like a less. This is like 5.2 something, I think. Let's go. Wait, 2 million, bro? Bro, you're lucky I'm Mr. Beast. Well, not literally, but you guys will understand. But like, let's go. Let me see what it does. Wait. So okay. So technically, I could fight fire with fire. Let's go. But no, that also messes up my counter. My shin like counter. So, bro, what a drag. Like, that's a little drag, bro. It also messes up my shin like counter. So I can only use this like if I don't have shin already equipped it. But the thing is, shin Ren is my only grinding button that I have. Cause I lost Zinbukai. And technically does more damage, so yeah, and yeah. Actually, let's. I don't know why I did that, but let's explore in here because I never really knew what was in here. Like, if you guys know what this place is in the Naruto anime, if it is part of that, then let me know in the comments down below. And what is this? Did I find a secret entrance? Wait, why do I feel like I've seen this before? Well, no, I don't think I've seen this before in the anime, but like, guys, if you know what this place is, please comment down below. I really need to know, bruh. Wait, there's another. Wait, yeah, I came up from here. But anyways, I'm not gonna go through there because I don't know where that takes me. So I'm gonna just come through here. All right. So yeah. So if you guys know where that is, please comment down below. I need to know where that is. Like in which part of the anime that is from. That'll be good to know. Don't surprise the next scroll drops. Look, if the next scroll drops, then this video would be a total success, and then lag would fail miserably. Because technically, it failed one. No. Why did you get disconnected now? Okay, good. Don't slap another man. Ooh, thank you for the counter. Spawning these guys and let them go to him. I didn't know Susans could fly because mine was clearly flying. Why did he do that thing where he just goes down? What the hell? Come on, hurry up, don't go all the way over there. Alright. Loser, come on, man. Ah. Okay, why am I doing that? You're not doing it, bro. Okay, come on. Just come on. Give me the cones. Guys, I'm sorry if you're seeing like lagging, but not really much I could do. Dang, I'm too far. Why is it disconnecting so much? In case if you guys are wondering what's this disconnecting, it's my mouse not even. Cause trust me, if it was the internet and I actually lost this thing, I'll be mad, bro. No, why now? Out of all the times to go away. He activated that counter. Only if they actually attack Susan, like that would be good. Go away. Dang it, why did I aim down? He only turned and went back, bro. Well, we see that's what I hate. Like when you do the handstand, but it doesn't actually go. You just wait. It just keeps you in like your hand in place, and then you have to press it again. But that's quite annoying. Like if you guys understand what I mean, comment down below. Like where like when you press a hand sign, but the jutsu don't actually go, you have to like press it again. Like that's kind of annoying, but I'm not gonna lie. Ow. Crap, this lag, bruh. Oh, I'm almost dead. Hold up. Is he dead? Yeah, he's with no scroll. Bruh, how did people get this scroll, bro? Like that easy? So I won't say we're off to a bad start. We're still doing good, but not that good. Isn't there supposed to be that other boss nearby? I think it's Giovanni Sheezen. Oh, wait, Giovanni Sheezen, right? Supposed to be. Uh-huh. Yeah, don't touch a water broken. Oh, they call me Spider Man. Let's go. They call me Spider Man. Ah. Alright, so let's see. I think he's somewhere over here because I need XP and also to kill time. So he's not here actually. Wait, is he over here? Oh, that was clean. Oh, there he is. Okay. I think I'll fight him with Maru. Let's see how hard this dude is to beat. This. Ow. Oh wait, what's his name? Giovanni. Yeah, Giovanni She's in there. That's kind of actually. No, dang it, no. He canceled the counter. Oh wait, I got that bloodline actually. Well, I used to have it. It's actually good for grinding bosses. Not gonna lie. Oh, so he is also Hurricane too. Or is that Typhoon? Oh, bro, I swear that counter didn't go off. I'd get mad, bro. Cause that game need to stop that stuff, bro. Come on, no. Alright. Come, quick, quick, quick. Alright, get some more chakra. Up, hey, hey, yo, let go. Whoa, nick of time there. Just get away from him. Alright, huh? You didn't think it's gonna land that same trick 3 times, bro? I'm sorry, but not gonna happen. He did. Alright, Larry's 421. Yeah, I seriously kept my finger down on C, bro. I mean, be on V, not C, bro. Like, bro. Come on, zip me a bit. Zip, zip, zip. Wait, that did not hit, bro? Bro, this game bugging. He not glitching me, bugging. Can I please run, please? Thank you. Um, I just want to ask a quick question, guys. Like, like every time like when you come up from a mood, does it take long for the MD to go up? Cause I remember that used to happen to me before, and if it does, like let me know, guys. Like, cause I want to know if I'm just the only one it happens to, or like it happens to certain people. And dang, I missed the counter there. And I missed another one. No, he does another move after that, right? Right, yeah, right. I wonder what a crispy red gingerbread man would taste like. He canceled the counter. Animal. Come on, come on. Yeah, this video has to be 15 minutes long until I get it. Which YouTube men are a lot actually. Nah, dang it. I hate him like when he just goes over there.